Hey guys, nasal congestion is very common in the infants during this season, because of which they get fussy because they are not unable to breathe, eat and sleep properly. We use many methods to get it relieved, but either they are not effective or they are time consuming. But I have the perfect solution for this: NasoBuddy nasal aspirator and saline kit. This nasal aspirator saline kit helps relieve nasal congestion by clearing the excess mucus and relief from congestion. It is very easy to use. Just keep the nasal spray near baby nostril and spray. It helps in loosening the mucus. Then keep the aspirator tip near the baby nostril and suck the mucus with the help of yellow mouthpiece. The filter inside prevents the mucus reaching to you. It gives instant relief from congestion. The NasoBuddy Baby Saline Spray is a simple Ayurvedic Ayush-approved, drug-free, irritant-free solution with no risk of any harmful side effects. So this aspirator kit is a must for the new moms to get relief their little one from the congestion. So do check it out.